Having a hard time keeping the sandpaper attached to your sander? Then you likely need a new paper clamp. There are two paper clamps on your sander. The paper clamps are made of spring steel and flex to hold the paper securely to your sander. Eventually the clamps will weaken and the paper will begin to slip out of them. Sometimes the wire clamp can even break in two. Replacing the paper clamp is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the pad from the bottom of the sander. With the pad removed, now I can pull the platen away from the pad bearing. The paper clamp just simply snaps into the platen. To remove it, I'll unlock the side and just pull it away from the platen. Now I can install the new paper clamp. I line it up with the grooves on the platen, and I'll use a screwdriver to snap it into those grooves. Now lock the paper clamp lever back against the tab on the platen. Now I can replace the platen. I just want to make sure that the holes in the platen line up with the holes in the posts. And this just pushes onto the bearing. And I'll finish by replacing the pad.